plants for loads of colour for small gardens? A question that is asked over and over again. Right here, I have three of, in my experience, probably in the garden, some of the best plants that I've ever planted. I'm going to start with this guy over here. It's called Coreopsis. They're part of a group of plants that are called the Uptick series. So don't be confused now. There is a Coreopsis that is an alien invasive, okay? It's not that one. It's not this guy. These guys are legal. They're sold at your local garden center. You get one with the beautiful yellow edge and this red center. You get another one that is more coppery. So the various color differences in the different varieties that are available. But most importantly is that they are bang for your buck. Guys, this is a true perennial. When I mean true perennial, you can put it in your garden and it will just get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And at some point you'd have to lift them all out, preferably after flowering, divide them and move them to different parts of the garden because they are so vigorous. They're like on steroids. They flower fantastically well, love well-drained soil, love a little bit of neglect because the spots that we've got, they don't get watered at all. And all you've got to do is give them a deadheading and away they go. Next plant is this one over here. This is called Leucanthemum daisy May, also known just as the perennial daisy, but it's not a daisy, it is a true perennial. And you can see that it's a true perennial because look here, there it's starting to send its new shoots. Daisy May, look at the size of those flowers. Flowers beautifully early spring into summer and gives you a lovely autumn flush as well. How do you look after it? Full sun to half day sun and planted in well-drained soil, and when it's finished flowering, a light pruning. The last one has to be the ultimate group of plants that I've ever come across, and that is the beautiful Salvia salmia. Now in a garden center, they never look great. They look a bit scraggly. They don't like being in pots, but put it in the garden. Oh wow. And you let loose and literally a princess is born because they are incredibly tough. They can grow full sun, half day sun, soil type doesn't really matter. They're part of the Salvia family, which means they're going to endure long periods of heat, plus they're going to flower all summer long for you, right into autumn, a good heavy pruning, and away they go. But the beauty of these is that even when they are finished flowering, which is this, that's the flower, these purple bracts still remain on the plant and still give you color. And I will tell you another thing, that the sunbirds will thank you for putting these in your garden.